Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Microtel Inn and Suites by Wyndham Hoover, Birmingham. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. The Microtel Inn and Suites Hoover is located just 1 mile from the River Chase Galleria shopping center. Guests will enjoy a continental breakfast with sausage and biscuits each morning. A flat-screen cable TV is featured in each of the rooms at this Hoover hotel. Coffee making facilities are also included in all rooms so guests can jump-start their day. A fitness center is on site at the Hoover Microtel Inn and Suites, and guests can also access meeting facilities. A business center is also available as well as a 24-hour reception. This hotel is 20 minutes drive from Birmingham city center. Guests will also be located just 10 miles from Oak Mountain State Park. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.